They say their chambers coil is overloading their comm system.
Spock.
Scanning. Their coil emissions are normal.
They still haven't raised their shields.
Coil is overloading their comm system.
Spock.
Scanning. Their coil emissions are normal.
They still haven't raised their shields.
Raise ours.
Their shields are going up.
Lock phasers on target.
Locking phasers on target.
They're locking phasers.
Raise shields.
Fire!
Zero, get those shields up.
Trying, sir.
I can't get power, sir. Steady! Turn off those damn channels!
Mr. Stop on the screen.
We're just hanging on, sir. The main energizer's out. Try auxiliary power.
Damage report.
They knew exactly where to hit us.
Who knew where to hit us? And why?
One thing is certain. We cannot escape on auxiliary power.
Visual. Zulu, divert all power to phasers.
Too late.
Hang on! Scotty! What's left? Just the battery, sir. I can have auxiliary power in a few minutes. We don't have a few minutes! Can you give me phaser power? A few shots, sir.
Not enough against their shields.
The hell are they?
Admiral, the commander of the Reliant is signaling. He wishes to discuss terms of our surrender.